Welcome to the Carriages at Somerford at Stoner Farm, part of a vibrant community in the heart of Lancaster, PA. Somerford at Stoner Farm offers an ideal blend of comfort and accessibility. Just minutes from Route 30 and 222, this community offers easy access to unlimited shopping and dining options, and features top-rated schools. Immerse yourself in this lively community atmosphere with winding streets, ideal for walking and biking. Enjoy exclusive access to nearby country clubs featuring golf, tennis, and heated outdoor pools. The neighboring Stoner Park includes walking trails, sports courts, and pavilions to enjoy the outdoors. Our carriage homes boast an open floor plan, optional first floor living, and two-car driveway and garages, perfect for those seeking low-maintenance living. Whether you're a local or relocating, we're here to make your dream home a reality with tools to keep you in the know. Our team is here to guide you through every step of your home building journey. Come live your best life in a home designed by you and built for you. You'll love the Carriages at Somerford at Stoner Farm. Welcome home.